All right,
It's the castle.
we're here in Lagos, Portugal, exploring the beach. They have amazing caves here on the Mediterranean and cliffs. So we have no agenda. We're just gonna walk around and see what we can get into. All right, we found some fish here in the water.
They kind of look like a sea bass.
Dude, I feel like they'd be easy to catch here.
The water is so clear.
Lots of fish. Pesky.
Pesky. I think there's like a little tunnel there, and their stuff is coming out of it. They're all just sitting there waiting.
How do you say fish in Portuguese?
Pescado? No.
Pesky.
Pesky. Spanish.
We're here kayaking in the Mediterranean along the cliffs. And I think we're gonna go inside of a grotto. And there's fish everywhere around us. All right. All right, we are at Foia. Is a high mountain. I think it might be the highest mountain in Portugal, but definitely in the area we're at, we can see all the way to the ocean. And there's just bulls up here. We're at the top of this mountain called Foia in an area called Monchique in Portugal. We can see Lagos, the city on the coast where we stay, all the way from up here. But hoping to find some snakes up here. It's pretty high elevation, but there's a lot of rocks and abandoned buildings and cover. So we're gonna look around. I think I just saw our first reptile, a gecko, go in these bricks. Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
Oh my god. Holy shit, dude. Oh, he's gone.
Oh. All right, well, where there's one, there's more.
Oh my god.
That thing's chunky, bro.
Dude, huge. Woohoo!
Moorish gecko.
Wow.
These guys, we've been seeing them just now for a second. They're tricky to catch.
Spiky.
Pretty good sized geckos compared to like Mediterranean geckos that we find in Florida. But yeah, this is our first reptile of the trip. Moorish
He's not very
gecko.
happy. Wow, that's really cool, man.
So geckos are the only type of lizard that have a voice box and vocalize.
Oh my god, that one's fucking huge.
He just found another big gecko. He's gonna try to catch it. But So it's been making little chirps. They'll kind of make a noise like gecko, gecko. And this really spiky. The geckos that I found before are usually smoother, but it's got this kind of spiky tail and really cool lizard. They're very cute. And these are potential food for the vipers we're looking for and other snakes around here that we're looking for. And notice with their the way their fingers are designed, they have these kind of slits. See those? That enable them to walk directly up walls. So we will demonstrate that now. This environment is very interesting. High montane, Mediterranean scrub and forest. These, I believe, are kind of rhododendron, and they're very sticky. You can see how wet they look. And all that is eucalyptus, I believe. That would probably be invasive from Australia. Very interesting environment. All right, we're here in this park in a town called Faro, and we're looking for Mediterranean chameleons. Someone on Instagram told me to look here, and we're on iNaturalist also, the app where you can post your reptiles, other animals. So they hang out in the trees, and we're just looking through every cluster of trees, and we'll be very excited to find one. So I've never looked for a lizard like this where they hang out in one place and you know where you have to look, but they blend in very well and they don't move very fast. So we're gonna have to look really carefully to find them. But yeah, hopefully we find some. We're gonna cross over to this island because it looks like good habitat for the chameleons. There's all these bones here. I'm not sure what it is. A lot of big fish here swimming around. Take off my socks. Slip back into my Crocs. Ooh. It kind of looks like the Outer Banks or like North Carolina. All right, so we are walking down the trail and we just seen what looks like flamingos. We found this lake here, and there's some frogs, and there's a viperine snake that lives here, so maybe we might be able to find one around here. It's very dry through the forest here, and we're not having a ton of luck looking for stuff, but that's kind of why we came, to check out some water. All right, so we're at this abandoned house outside the beach, right off the boardwalk. And I was flipping some cover, and I discovered this. It's an exoskeleton of a scorpion. We heard there's scorpions here, but we haven't seen any. So that means they're around here, but pretty cool just to find the exoskeleton. You can see the tail on there. Very cool.
Keep that.
Yeah.